another update on the shelter. I had a few questions about the oxygen and how we breathe inside the shelter. If you notice this little turn wheel here, this turns when the wind blows it, and it circulates air, and it comes out through this vent here. That's an air vent. So these are both air vents on top. The sliding door, how it stays put is we have two drills, two bolts right here. And when it slides up into two holes that we drilled into the track. So there's no way for this lid to be blown off the top. It slides back. I have added some carpet, a porta potty, another light, so here's the carpet. There's my little puck light there. I added another one here. Like I said, the ladder is bolted to the wall. And this pulley rope system back here is bolted to the wall. That's how it locks. There's the porta potty. It doubles as a seat. So I can actually sit on it. And I got my fans hanging back there on the back in case it gets hot in here and we need some circulation. But I wanted to show you the two bolts, the holes where those bolts go in. When the door slides closed, those bolts go right in those holes and it holds the lid down. Any other questions, let me know.